Hey all, Unbiased here. Today we will see the legal method to get Microsoft Office for free. There is no involvement of any cracks or torrents, and we can do it straight from the official Microsoft website. To begin with, you can use the link in the description to visit the Microsoft Developer 365 website. Once you're in here, you can just click on the Join Now option. One second, and it will lead to a sign-in page. If you already have a Microsoft account, just continue with the same, or if you don't have one, just click on Create One. Since I already have one, I'll continue with my credentials. And once you are logged in, it'll ask you for a few information to create your developer account. So you can just fill in the basic details like country, company. The company name can be anything. You can even have your own nickname. You can click on all these options as they don't matter. These are just part of a survey. So once you are in here, this is the crucial part. You have to choose the configurable sandbox option. If you choose the instant sandbox option, it will not work. So once you click configurable sandbox, click on next and create a username, a domain and a password. The domain can be anything. Make sure it's unique. It will prompt you if it's not unique. Make sure you write down these names somewhere safe because you're going to be needing it once you are setting up your Microsoft Office. And once that part is done, you'll get a verification code on your mobile number. And post that, it'll set up your new developer subscription now. So let us give it some time. And once that is done, you can click on the Go to Subscription button over here, which will again ask for your account. Now, on the top right hand corner, if you click on Install and More, you'll get Install the Microsoft 365 apps. You can click on the Install Office Suite over here and it will start downloading the setup for you. It will take some time since it's a 365 version and it will download every single app of the 365 suite on your local system. So give it some time. I am going to fast forward it once it is done. Yeah, and now it seems to have finished and we can see that all the apps have been installed. So I will open up Microsoft Word to show you that it has been activated with a real license. So it will ask me to log in with my username and password that we created the developer account with. Now it has registered, and if you go into the account section, it shows subscription product for the so-and-so username that I created. So you might ask, if it looks all so clean and official from Microsoft, so what's the catch? The only catch here is you have to frequently use the Microsoft apps. And if you fail to use them for more than 91 days, the subscription will end and you will not be able to use it again. Then you might have to repeat the process and get a new Microsoft developer account. So that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next one.